Ready to ditch the chaotic to-do lists and transform your project management game with Asana boards? Let's dive straight into the fundamentals. Asana boards use a visual Kanban-style layout to help you track tasks as they move through different stages of a project. Think of it as your digital whiteboard. Each task is represented by a card. Click on a card to open it and add details like assignees, due dates, descriptions, attachments, and even subtasks. This keeps all relevant information organized in one place. Now, the magic happens. Easily track progress by dragging and dropping cards from one column to another as tasks move through your workflow. Instantly visualize what's blocked, what's in progress, and what's done. Asana boards make collaboration a breeze. Use comments to communicate with your team directly on task cards, tag collaborators to get their attention, and keep everyone in the loop. Boards are highly customizable. Tailor your columns to match your specific workflow, whether it's design, marketing, or anything else. Adapted to how you do things. Master these basics, and you'll be well on your way to using Asana boards to boost your team's productivity and project success. Start creating your own boards today.